Today at the Everyday Workbench, we are going to condition this Butcher Block cutting board. So we're going to use this product here from Howard's. It's a Butcher Block conditioner. It's food grade mineral oil, beeswax, and carnauba wax. That's just a fun word to say, carnauba. So people say carnauba, but it is carnauba. We looked it up before the video. So we are going to use this product on this cutting board here. Before we do that, we need to sand it down a little bit, get some of those knife marks out, clean it up with tack cloth, and while we're doing that, we're going to warm up the conditioner in hot water so it's nice and easy to use. And the final step is to wipe off any excess conditioner that you have left on the board. Super easy to do. We do this to protect the wood, to revitalize it, to help prevent warping and cracking, so you have your cutting board for a long time.